Hello everyone, we will be making some cute drawings. So first draw the lines like this. Now using different colors, make the circles like this and make the leaves of the flowers. Here using different colors, we will be making different types of flowers on the sheet. Here we are making the roses using red color. Now using dark pink color, we will be making the flowers like this. Draw the lines, draw the leaves and stems. Now using blue color, draw the flowers like this. Put the yellow color dots and it's ready. Next, draw 4 different circles on the white sheet. Now, in each circle, we will be making some different cartoon characters. Draw the eyes, nose and mouth of it. Now, on the second one, we will make a cute cartoon character called Pikachu. Draw its tail, draw its eyes, nose and mouth, draw its legs, color it as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, third, we'll be drawing some different cartoon characters like this. Draw its ears, eyes, nose and mouth, draw its legs, color it like this and it's ready. Next, fourth one, we'll be drawing the eyes, nose and mouth of the panda and it's ready. Next, draw 4 circles on the white sheet and draw the suns on it. Now we will draw the lines on the sides to make different types of suns like this. Color it like this, make its eyes, nose and mouth in each of the 4. Draw the spiral lines like this. Now you can make the straight lines, spiral lines or different lines to make the sun. Make the wavy lines like this, color it and it will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will draw different types of trees. So first, draw 4 different branches and then fill it with different colors like this. Make the orange one first, make some dots. On the second one, we will draw the spiral lines to make the leaves. On the third one, we will make the circles using different colors like this. Here we have taken yellow and orange color. Fourth one, we will be making some bushes like shapes and it's ready. Next, draw 4 circles like this and each one of them we will make the designs like this. Now make the legs and hands of the tortoise, make its tail. On the second one we will make a ladybird like this, make its eyes, nose and mouth, make its antenna, make its legs like this, make its legs like this. Snail, draw the body of the snail like this, make its eyes, and then third one we'll be making a honeybee. Draw the lines on it, make its eyes and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.